Hello everyone and welcome back to our FAQ in research or frequently asked questions in research. So let's answer this question. How about theoretical framework, Doc? Need po ba siya para makapag-formulate ng SOP? The answer is yes. You need the theoretical framework as a basis bilang basehan sa paggawa ng SOP or ng mga tanong na gagamitin ninyo sa inyong statement of the problem. The theoretical framework also helps you identify the variables that you will be using in your statement of the problem. Another function of the theoretical framework in relation sa SOP is that yung theoretical framework will help you justify the questions that you will be using in your SOP. Kung ano man yung mga tanong na yan, tutulungan kayo ng theoretical framework na ipagtanggol, ipaliwanag kung bakit kailangan itong mga tanong na ito doon sa formulation ng SOP ninyo. So, I hope we were able to answer this question if the theoretical framework is related to the construction of the SOP. Definitely yes. Kung kailangan ba yung theoretical framework sa pag-construct ng statement of the problem, definitely yes. If you are using your theoretical framework, yun yung role ng theoretical framework sa inyong research paper. Specifically, sa pag-construct, pag-create ng inyong statement of the problem. Thank you very much everyone. Again, if you have questions, lagay nyo sa comment section and I will get back to you by creating a video to reply and answer your questions. Thank you very much everyone. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!